Tired of those clumpy, dried out, overcooked eggs. Yeah, we've all been there, my friend, but Buzz Cooks is showing you the way to the creamiest, tastiest scrambled eggs you've ever had. So like, share, subscribe, hit that bell. Buzz Cooks is cooking and he's cooking it well.
That's right, we're making the best scrambled eggs you probably ever had. I know I love them this way. So 3 to 4 eggs into a nice glass dish. Add a little bit of salt and pepper. Now just let those sit for a couple minutes. Let them work. Then come back with your fork and we're going to whisk these up real good. We want to get a lot of air into these scrambled eggs. So when you think you're done, go a little bit longer. Like I said, you want to get a lot of air in there. Now I'm going to use a 8-inch nonstick. I highly recommend you use a nonstick for these eggs. I've got the Maiden ceramic ones, which are fantastic. It's not an advertisement, but I can't say enough about those Maiden ceramic pans. So we got the heat on medium-low. We got 1.5 tablespoons of butter that we've melted in. And then we're going to add our eggs right in there. Get yourself a spatula. And what we're going to do is just gently work the sides and the middle of these eggs. Just like that. Just take your time. You're not going to scramble them inside the pan. You're just going to just gently work them side to side, down to the middle. And this is going to give you fluffy, creamy eggs. So while we work these eggs, if I can remind you to please like, share, subscribe. Leave a comment if you can. New video coming out every Wednesday and every Sunday. I hope you enjoy watching them because I like making them. So we're just going to keep working these eggs. It's going to take a little bit longer than normal because we've got such a lower heat. But that's part of the secret as well, to keep them tender. We're not rushing this process. Not like Mom used to make when we were kids. So once we get to about this point, about 3/4 of the way done, we're just going to turn the heat off. And we're going to let the heat of the pan finish cooking these eggs. Now you can serve these eggs the way they are. You can serve them over sourdough toast. I'm going to serve them over 2 bagels. So while these eggs are finishing up, I'm going to pull my bagels out of the toaster. And I'm just going to put a little butter on each one. And I'm not going to spread this butter. I'm just going to let this butter slowly, with the heat of the bagel, soak into the bagel. And then we're going to come back and we're going to pour the eggs right over the top of these bagels and top them off with some nice fresh chopped up chives that we're going to chop up here in a minute. Now we'll go back to our eggs, and they are just about done. I mean, that is coming out just perfect. Nice, gentle, fluffy, creamy eggs. Look at these. About another minute and they'll be ready. So we'll go over and chop up some fresh chives, and then we will pour these eggs right over those bagels, top them off with the chives, and you have an amazing new way of doing scrambled eggs. I hope you give this method a try. I think you're really going to like it. A lot of people add a little bit of cream or milk to the eggs. I think with this style, you don't really need to. You still get the creaminess without. But anyways, hey, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.
Yeah, we've all been there, my friend. But Buzz Cooks is showing you the way to the creamiest, tastiest scrambled eggs you've ever had. So like, share, subscribe, hit that bell. Buzz Cooks is cooking and he's cooking it well. No rubbery bites, no eggs gone wrong. Just creamy, fluffy magic now. Sing along.